Be honest, would you believe me if I tell you I'm the most tax-savvy person ever? Me neither, and that's okay, but I did something to make up for it. I watched hours, and I don't mean just a few hours. I mean hours and hours and hours on videos on how to rank on YouTube, because I was sick and tired of not understanding how the YouTube algorithm works, how search works. And so I binge watched every single video I could possibly find that was talking about how to rank on YouTube. And so I will summarize everything that I've learned. I will share with you exactly the step, how I come up with video ideas that are good in search, and how you can use keywords, how you can spy on your competitors, and how you can package it all together so the next video you're making is actually going to get more traction. I'm starting over again, and this is the strategy that I will be using moving forward with my new videos, and I'm super excited to do that and see how this is hopefully going to work. But I'm just excited to show you the step-by-step that I'm going to do in order to rank on YouTube to hopefully get monetized soon. So let's try it out. This is not a sponsored video, but I really enjoyed this tool and I thought I'd share it with you. I will leave a link down below so you can follow this tutorial. I just realized it's something that I enjoyed so much because they make it so simple. It's not the super complicated thing. It's very easy. And for someone who's not super tech savvy, I enjoyed this very much. And so I'm going to just give you all the things that I've learned in those hours and hours and hours of consuming content about it. I will just share everything that I've learned and I will put it into this video, and you will get away with not having to do all of that. So let's get into it. Now that you have open vidIQ, I will show you exactly what we're going to do next. But first I want to tell you that the cool thing about vidIQ is that it grows with you. So meaning the more videos you make, the more it will understand what actually performs well, and it will recommend you titles and ideas, and thus it's super cool because it's growing with you at the same time. And so the tool gets actually more valuable the more you use it. But I just want to show you real quickly how I come up with video ideas, and that I am just going to put myself to the side. You're going to go see on the left side right here, you will see ideas, keywords, optimizing. This tool is also really cool because it's kind of like ChatGPT but meant for YouTube. We can go into this later, but first I want to go on to keywords because this is the reason why I'm actually using this the most, because it's just so valuable. I just typed in the word TikTok and now you see there's related keywords, matching terms, and questions. And so what I usually use the most is matching terms. It's such a great tool. You can see down here TikTok is already like a good score because it says the competition is still high. However, the search volume is extremely high, and so it will give it an overall score of 60, which is not bad. And so you click on matching terms, and then what it does, I'm just going to put myself on the side. What it does, it kind of shows you the search volume and the competition. And you can see, for example, TikTok Shop Affiliate is very low competition and it's very high search volume, meaning it got a score of 84, which is really, really good. And so what you could do here on the side, you can rank them over to go from the highest to the lowest. And so you can see the keywords that are really well right now is TikTok Shop Affiliate, Tough Creative Program, TikTok Automation. And you can see these are all really good keywords, and just giving you some ideas to maybe do that. And so how you can also get more related terms, you could basically click on this TikTok and then you copy it and you can type it in up here and scroll again, and says like really high score. Actually, I've never seen an 84 before. So that's crazy because all the ones that I've been looking at were around the 70, which is, I thought was high, but this one is really good. So TikTok Shop Affiliate is doing super well. And then you can go on matching terms again, and then it shows more matching terms. You can also go on questions, and it says TikTok Shop, how to start a TikTok Shop affiliate, how to set up a TikTok Shop affiliate. So you can see these are all really good keywords. And when you look at related keywords, it gives you more ideas. So I really enjoy this tool in terms of finding new keywords. And what's really important, that you really look for keywords that just have a high number. That's really important, and preferably have low competition, because as you saw, TikTok had high search volume, but also had high competition. But you see, for example, on TikTok Shop Affiliate Tutorial, it has a search volume of 39,000, and which is a monthly base. So this means every month there are 39,000 people searching for this topics. And so this could potentially get 39,000 clicks a month, which is really good. And you can see the score very low, and yeah, so that's a great tool. And so I like to play with this just like by typing in and finding questions, and you just kind of dig deeper, and then you try TikTok Shop Affiliate. Maybe you put in something tutorial Now you gotta know how to write tutorial. Jesus, I'm bad at writing. Okay, TikTok, and then you can see again matching terms. TikTok shop affiliate tutorial also 39,000. I think that, did we just have that? Anyways, TikTok course, and so we can see search volume is 2,900, very low competition. So this might also be an idea to do. And so you kind of just play with it. And I do this for hours and hours. And this is kind of tedious work, but this is just for you before you start any video and before you just put all this effort into making a video. It's just such a great idea to make sure the video you're making is searchable, because especially if you start out and YouTube doesn't recommend you in the beginning, you want to you want to be found through search, because that's the way for you to grow your account. And yeah, that's basically what I do. And then when let's say I have a good keyword, let's say TikTok shop affiliate, I will be using this keyword. I will be copying this keyword. What you got to do next is you got to install Chrome, and you're going to have the extension vidIQ in there. So it will show you actually really great analytics. And so what you could do right now is I type in the keyword that I just found and then TikTok shop affiliate. And then what you could do is just go here on the side. It shows you again, it has a score of 84. And you see on these, you see 11 views per hour, you see 26 views per hour, 59 views per hour. These are just really high performing videos, really good. So I like to look at the views per hour, and I would just scroll down. What is the competition making? And then you see this one is also really good. It has a 27x outliner score, which means this one is performing extremely well. And you can see also that the person probably used vidIQ, because it's complete TikTok shop affiliate tutorial for beginners 2024. So this is very keyword heavy. And what you can do, you can just scroll down. What are the videos that are performing super well? This one is also performing super well. Especially what I love to look at too, which is really important, you have to look at the subscriber count, because this person could have a lot of views, but it's because they have so many subscribers. So you always want to check, for example, this guy here, he only has 8,230 subscribers, which is not a lot, but his videos 95x, it's like really, really good. And it gets 18 views an hour, which is also extremely high. And that allows you to see, okay, this is a really great video. So that's just something to look out for. And so let's click on this guy and see, and you will see on the side, okay, how many views this person has. It has 8,230 subscribers. It has a really high score on vidIQ. And then you can see down here when you scroll, and that's why you need the extension, you can see that this person is ranking, for example, TikTok shop affiliate tutorial. This person is ranking number 9, which is not bad. It's really, really good. And that's probably why he has so many clicks. TikTok shop affiliate full course. Remember, we saw the keyword course. And so he's using it, and he's ranked number 3. And then he's ranked number 1, beginner guide to TikTok affiliate marketing. So he's really ranking on these TikTok keywords, and thus he's having so many views despite having not as many followers. And so that's what I always love to do, checking out who are the people who are getting a lot of views besides not having the craziest amount of followers. So that's just something you want to look out for. Just let's see tutorial, let's see course. Let's just type this in. And you see number 3, that was the guy from just now, and he's ranking super high, because you can see, for example, this person over here, she has over 1.1 million subscribers, which is a lot. It's just insane. And she automatically will have a lot more views, obviously, than someone who only has 8,000 subscribers. Only, it's still a lot of, I don't want to discredit him. That's a lot of subscribers, but just in comparison, that's a lot less subscribers. And thus she will automatically gain more views than someone who has less. And so you can see that he's still ranking pretty high here, which is really awesome. And so that's the most important part, just looking at those videos and seeing what did the person do well, like what's working. You can see, for example, all of them using the TikTok logo, because it's something you recognize. It just stands out. You can see they use faces. Faces do really well in thumbnails. And if you want to know how to create good thumbnails, I can make a video about that. But just see what is so good about this video. You can see also these videos are very long. You can see 31 minutes, 22 minutes. So that's something to consider. How long are these videos? Are this just like a 1-minute tutorial, or are these really long videos? Another short tip I love doing is when I go on bigger accounts or just journal accounts or videos that do well, I always look at the comments. What are people asking. Maybe they're asking a question that I can make a video about. And especially if they get a lot of likes, those questions means that there's more people wanting to know. This person's asking to buy TikTok followers. Will I still be accepted? So these are just a lot of questions that you could think about maybe creating videos about. And that's just a great way for you to get more inspiration, more ideas. That's what I love to do. That's not what I love to do. This is what I'm doing to find ideas. This is not super fun, but it's okay. And then, so for example, you could also go here. This is another one. As I said, like the analytics keyword part is just really something I love so much. But you can also go onto Coach and just say, give me 5 video titles for the topic TikTok affiliate. And so actually it will generate you ideas but for me right now, what I'm trying to focus on is really the keywords, because that's where I find more ideas. And this is what I do to find keywords. As you can see, this program is kind of analyzing my account, and you see a daily video idea I got from vidIQ was 6 things I stopped doing to have a happier life. This could be a video idea. This doesn't seem very specific, and I'm super excited to share more about the insights. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer them all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will leave a link in the description so you can try it out for yourself and see if you like it or not, and hope this helped. If you want to learn more about how to start your own business in a way that's actually sustainable, that's actually real, that's not just some short thing that's going to be gone tomorrow, I'm actually starting this journey to start a business again. I used to be an entrepreneur, now I'm not. I'm trying to get back up, and I'm going to share with you all the tools that I'm using in order to get my business off the ground. And if you're enjoying content like that and you would like to know more insights, more behind the scenes on how to get the thing off the ground and how you could use those informations to apply to your own thing, then stick around. You're going to learn so much, and I'm super excited to share more in the next videos. Thank you. See you soon.